To view your Cricket Wireless call history, start by visiting cricketwireless.com or downloading the Cricket app version 5.2 or higher from the App Store or Google Play. Log in using your Cricket account credentials, including your PIN or biometric login like fingerprint or Face ID. Once logged in, navigate to the Account or Usage tab in the portal or app. Then select Call History or Call Logs from the menu options. From here, filter by date range, call type such as all, missed, or answered calls, and download the logs as a CSV or PDF file. Note that standard accounts may have a limit of 90 days of accessible call history. Your call history displays incoming and outgoing calls, timestamps, partially masked numbers, and call duration. Remember that call content, including audio, is not included for privacy reasons. The tool now features enhanced data visualization and may display approximate location data based on cell tower triangulation. Cricket also offers an AI assistant that analyzes call patterns to identify potential spam or billing errors. If you notice suspicious activity, promptly report it to Cricket to prevent fraud. Regularly reviewing your call history helps manage usage, detect unauthorized access, and ensure billing accuracy.